It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're camping still. We just woke up, it's 8 o'clock, we're gonna have some breakfast. The plan is to just first clean up the tent, pack up the motorcycles, and then just go with all our stuff. And then this is also the day we go home, so when we're done riding, maybe do a walk, then just ride home from there. Because around 12 o'clock there is a prediction of rain, and then later around 5 it's gonna be a thunderstorm, and it's gonna be a heavy one, they say. So yeah, that's why we're gonna clean up when it's dry and not raining, and then we can just ride home when we want. So yes. Alright, we're about ready to get going. We're all packed up, or almost. Just a toilet break, and then we're off. This time I chose something different. I chose to pack like this, like in that way instead of horizontal, because now I can access my panniers way better and way easier. So this is the setup. I'm gonna put my rain jacket underneath my my motorcycle jacket because it's probably gonna rain. So when it rains, I've got 2 layers of waterproof clothing, so I won't get wet normally. And then my pants, yes, they're gonna get wet, but they're okay. They dry up pretty fast and they're pretty resistant. So yeah. I hope it stays this way for as long as possible, because this weather is really nice. The roads are dry, so this is the way to go. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up a bit and then start riding. Okay, so we decided where to go now. We're gonna ride to the fortress of Reinhardstein. And if I look on Google, this fortress is highest in altitude in Belgium. So yeah, the highest fortress in Belgium. So yeah, let's go there. Alright, we're ready to leave. For the people that are wondering, this camping is called Chalet Weekend. So yeah, it's a recommendation. It was only 40 euros for 2 people for 2 nights. So that means it's about 10 euros per night with a tent. So that's really cheap. And it's like you have a lot of room. We had all this grass to ourselves. There's the water, so great camping. A really friendly Dutch owner. So yeah, just a really great place. This is the 5th time I've been here or something, because I'm so happy with the camping. So recommend it. The only thing that was still wet was a bit my pants, because I forgot to turn it in the sun, and my shoes. One shoe is dry and one shoe is not dry. It's a bit weird, but I'll take it. I don't feel it really, and it's gonna dry up when we start riding, because the sun is still shining, and with the wind and all, it's gonna be dry in a minute. So yeah. Alright, now let's really leave, because I have said it 3 times that we're gonna leave, but now we're really gonna leave. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the joy of painting. This is a Bob Ross painting in real life. We stopped here at the side of the road because there's a lake here. We're almost there. It's 10 minutes ride from here, but my dad's engine light came on, so we're gonna watch what happens. Because he's gone over the 1,000 kilometers for the first service, but we called the garage and they said it was fine. Just check the oil levels, and now the light came on, so maybe we could go somewhere and get some oil, but we'll see what happens. Let's go. Voila. Go. staan in de schapje. Alright. So, we're here at the castle. This is cool forest area that we're gonna walk through first. And a squirrel. So yeah, the fortress is that way. I think we're gonna just have a look over it from the walk first, which is nice. Then we're gonna be able to walk in it. So
look at the roots here. They're in the stones.
3 roots in stones, and all the way through. Awesome. Ooh, no. That was pretty scary. I think it's about 4 meters high and it's just a drop to stones. So yes, it's pretty cool. You can go by it, you can go beside it, but what's the fun in that? Like a bus.
Oh, yeah.
We saw the fortress, it was nice, and now we're at the dam, which is even nicer in my opinion. Damn, that's a dam. Anything to add?
They're fixing it.
They're fixing it.
Or they're refurbishing
We're
it.
restoring it, refurbishing it. A Brussels waffle. We're trying to eat fast because the rain is coming. There have been some bolts of lightning and really loud thunder, so it's probably gonna rain in 5 minutes. So we're gonna eat. Did you see that? We're gonna eat and then go. Not 5 minutes later, it's raining. There are some off-roads here. It started pouring out, really pouring. So my feet are soaking wet because we had to do a few river crossings. And now this is the case. Off-road. Yeah, it makes for an interesting video, I guess. Yes. gonna end the video here. We're at this little fries place, we call it. Fries hour, we call it. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna go home. Yeah, that's the plan. A lot of rain, but it doesn't really matter as long as you're on the bike, I guess. I hope you enjoy this series of videos. And now, anything to add? No? Okay. Bye bye.